Hello, my name is Dwayne Lemon, and I am so privileged to have come here for the M.E.E.T Ministry, Our Home Natural Health Retreat. And often when we think about coming to a place like this, we think about those of us who are battling with many severe ailments, whether it be with heart disease, cancer, or otherwise. First and foremost, I'm grateful that this is a place where there are those who are afflicted with such diseases that can find a place here where they can feel at home and be served by the grace of God. In my case, however, I want to bring something to your attention that a lot of times people don't think about. I came here for a reboot. It wasn't so much an ailment of any kind that brought me here, but it was more so just my feeling the need after all the stresses throughout the year, throughout different challenges, of course just being exposed to the toxic world that we live in. I saw it necessary to take a moment to just come to the retreat, take 10 days and get a reboot. I came here and I was able to go through some incredible juicing. It's amazing. Often when we think about going through a fast, we think about starving and suffering. It is nothing like that here. I was privileged to go through 5 days of not eating food as I normally would, yet not even minutely feeling hunger pangs. It was more so just feeling the satisfaction of the juices and all the teas and different things working in the system, doing what God created those in the natural world to do. In addition to that, I was privileged to also experience things like massage or different hydrotherapy treatments, infrared saunas, and all of these things are designed by God to help bring about healing and wellness. Well, here it is that after my 10 days, now I'm a bit lighter. I was able to see some weight loss, which I needed. I also have a greater mental clarity. I also find that my energy is up and I'm starting to, kind of feel the boosting energy that I needed. And I'm grateful that there were many more experiences that I was able to go through that I wanted to encourage you all to consider. Not only coming to Our Home Natural Health Retreat, not merely just for, the experiences of, again, addressing diseases, but sometimes coming for that reboot, getting 10 days where you can come in one way and leave completely different. This was my experience here at our home, and I'm grateful that all the hands that served me were literally an extension of the hands of Jesus Christ himself. Lots of love, lots of prayer, lots of counseling, lots of encouragement. At every point, I felt at home. And so this is my encouragement to each and every one of you, is if you feel that you need a reboot, please consider Our Home Natural Health Retreat here at M.E.E.T Ministry. I have no doubt you will be blessed beyond your expectations. Thank you so much. May God bless you.